Hey groomers, Tyler here out of Colorado. Wanted to show you something how to wrap your cords. So, everyone is no longer going to do this. This is really bad for the cord. It breaks it up here, and then it just gets your cord all tangled up when you're grooming because now it's got this huge coil in it. So let's take this apart, and I'll show you how I like to wrap. See this? I mean, who wants to groom with this all around your table, getting caught on everything? We don't want this. Not good. So the way I like to wrap cords, it's called the over-under technique. And a lot of musicians use it for their cords on stage and everything. And the other thing is, when you do it this way, you'll never get knots in the cord when you pull out your clipper. So right now, I'm just kind of trying to straighten out the cord. I didn't even test it yet. It might be a dead cord, but I'm just going to show you guys how to properly wrap a cord when you're storing your clipper or sending them off. So let's see if we can all see this. Take your hand. The easiest way to explain this is the left hand or your non-dominant hand, just have the thumb facing towards the clipper and twist it in a loop. And then turn your thumb backwards like that and twist it the opposite way. So it's like kind of in it. So again, you go this way and then that way. This cord's very tangled. And you might have to like kind of spin the cord around a little bit with your thumb to get it to sit right. Over, under, over, under. And see, this way, your cord's all nice. And then the way I'll just kind of bend the cord like that, wrap a rubber band around it, and it's good to go. And when you undo your cord, it's never in a knot because it can't wrap around itself like that. But anyway, going to start testing this cord. That's what you want to do. You don't want to wrap them around your clippers. It's very bad. Let's just see if this cord even works. See what's going on. Well, turned on. It works. This is how I test the cord too. I just kind of move it around. They usually always break right here after that installation. So that's where you kind of want to, not hard, just tug, turn it around a little bit, not turn it off. So this cord's good, but it's just very messy now. As you can see, it doesn't lay nicely. So it's going to get tangled around all your stuff when you're working. So if you wrap it nicely, you won't have any of those issues. Hope this helps somebody. If you have any questions, let me know. If the video was hard to see, let me know. Bye.